So without further ado, let's get into it. So first of all, in the outside packaging, we've got a nice DPD bag where it's delivered from. Inside, we've got a squashed cardboard box. And then inside the squashed cardboard box, we've got something that says Samsung, some paperwork, packaging list. Let's see if we can get that off reflection. There we go. And inside the box, let's just turn it around the right way so everyone can see it. We've got a bit of paper that's stuck down, so we're going to tear that open. And then we have the piece de resistance. Okay, so let's get the box open. So we've got a slide under there, and we've got a little sticker at the top, and let's see if that's just going to pop out. Okay, so inside the box there we have it. So this is the 45mm Watch 3. Now the reason that I finally went for this was the selling point for me was the rotating bezel. So the bezel itself rotates, and I like this ever since the first watch, but unfortunately due to certain circumstances I didn't want to purchase it. I never like to purchase the first iteration of something. I did look at the Apple watches, but I really like the rotating bezel feature. So what we went for a midnight black 45mm edition. So what else came in the packaging? So we've got a box. I presume this will be a cable. So this will be the charger, USB. I'm just going to rip that open. Okay, that's great. So the watch will just sit on top of that. That plugs into, looks like USB 2, but power charging basically. And inside here we also have the warranty card and the quick start guide. So that is the rather hurried unboxing, so I couldn't wait to get my hands on it. And once we've used the watch and got it started up, we'll do another video of that in about a week's time. Okay, so the bottom button is the home power key. So let's go ahead and do the first switch on. So we'll have English, continue in English, United Kingdom. So we'll say yes to that. Select a region, we're going to go United Kingdom, and then restart. Let's go. Get started in the Galaxy Wearable app on your phone. Okay. So I have got an Apple iPhone. So let's wait for this app to install. Okay, open. Galaxy Watch would like to use Bluetooth, so we say OK. And start the journey. Pick your watch, Galaxy Watch 3. Connect to Galaxy Watch 3. Confirm to connect via Bluetooth. Connect. So you might be wondering why I didn't go for Galaxy Watch Active or any of the previous generations. Well, the reason for that, I really didn't like the Galaxy Watch Active. As I mentioned, I like the rotating bezel, but after a year of umming and ahhing, I thought, well, I might as well wait till the next Galaxy Watch comes out with a newer version. So I've been waiting for around 2 years to finally get into the smartwatch arena. Let me know in the comments below what watches you guys use. Okay, so pairing or crest. So let's pair. Tap to connect. Couldn't pair. Retry. Pairing with watch. 350966. Check your phone to complete the setup. Finished pairing. While you're pairing, take a moment to get familiar with your watch. Learn more. Next, 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 next. Connect your phone to your watch. To get notifications and calls on your watch, make sure your phone's Bluetooth is turned on and both Galaxy Watch 3 and Galaxy Watch 3 are connected. Okay. Watch paired. Congrats on your new Galaxy Watch. So, would like to send you notifications. Allow. Galaxy Watch would like to access your calendar. Okay. Galaxy Watch would like to access your contacts. Okay. Get more with your Samsung account. Sign into your Samsung account to get the most of these great watch features. Galaxy Store and Backup and Restore. So we'll skip that because I don't have the Galaxy Store. You're all set. Galaxy Watch, display your iPhone notifications. Allow. To get notifications and calls on your watch, make sure your phone's Bluetooth is turned on and both Galaxy Watch and Galaxy Watch 3 are connected. Okay, so it's saying turn the bezel. Allow Galaxy Watch to use your location, used to provide accurate weather data and forecasts. Allow while using the app. Confirm. Okay. Turn the other way to go back to the watch face. Oh, that's a nice watch face. Turn it again for notifications. Press the back key to go back. Press the home key to find your apps. Almost done. Open the quick panel by swiping down. Touch the screen with your palm to turn it off. Try again. Touch the screen with your palm to turn it off. Yep, that worked. That's it, you're good to go. Okay, so that's all there is to that video. What I'm going to do is I'll sit and use it for a while, work out how it's all set up, and then possibly do another video if I can be bothered. But hope you liked it, and if you're getting a Galaxy Watch 3, let me know, and also let me know what smartwatch you've got in the comments below and whether you think it's any good or not. Just like to say thanks for watching.